Let's talk about dust filtration and collection systems. Such systems are crucial for ensuring compliance with environmental regulations. Yet they also play an important role in the proper operation of production plants. Dispersion of powders and during the manufacturing process needs to be controlled to reduce wear caused by powder and dust settling on mechanical and moving parts, reduce attrition-related malfunctions, and avoid any dispersion of dust into the environment. These points apply to all production processes that use powders. With Continua Plus plants, which are highly productive and use a broad variety of powders and decorative effects, integrated control of the different materials used in the process becomes essential. Capture and extraction systems are applied at several points as a function of the different types of dust and scrap, with the system performing appropriate collection and control. Depending on the decoration process, the type of application and the waste produced, and by following the customer technological suggestions, we can recover not just some, but all excess powders. Methods may differ depending on whether it's technologically possible to recover the powder inside the forming plants itself, or whether it's necessary to reprocess the collect scrap. Estimates based on the sizing of the existing plant indicate even though Continua Plus technology generates very low percentage of waste, savings up to 60,000 euros a year thanks to the complete recovery of waste. On such a large, configurable, customizable plant with enormous future development potential, the issue of plant integration becomes crucial. The direct incorporation of filtration systems in production plants is a matter with SACMI, as a specialist in both, is able to implement in the best way possible. This is today. And for the future? Having a division dedicated to environmental issues will allow higher levels of plant integration, driving the development of further, more efficient solutions. After achieving zero forming waste on Continua lines, the next goal is to transform, throughout the production process, what we currently see as waste and therefore a cost, into research and therefore revenues, all to the advantage of our customers' efficiency and the environment.